VoiceCare AI is transforming healthcare administration with generative AI, automating time-consuming processes like pre-authorizations and benefit verifications. Backed by $3.85 million in fresh funding, this startup is tackling one of healthcare's biggest bottlenecks: administrative inefficiency. Here's how it works. VoiceCare AI introduces Joy, an AI-powered voice agent that handles complex back-office tasks traditionally managed by human staff. Whether it's verifying insurance coverage or managing patient authorizations, Joy automates calls with near-human accuracy, freeing up healthcare workers to focus on patient care. What makes it special? Unlike standard automation tools, VoiceCare AI is built with Healthcare Administration General Intelligence, HAGI, making it adaptable to different healthcare workflows. It integrates seamlessly with hospitals, insurance providers, and EHR systems, ensuring compliance with HIPAA and SOC 2 Type 2 standards. With pilot programs already running at Mayo Clinic, VoiceCare AI is setting a new standard for AI-driven healthcare operations. Stay tuned. This startup is just getting started.